everyone, we are from Basavaraddi BA College, Dharwad. My name is Anita. I am handling cost accounting subject for Bcom 5th sem student. Last class we have solved 5 marks sums. In this class I am solving 15 marks questions. In this question is given in 2016 question paper section C, 6th one. Okay, let us start the problem. Prepare a cost sheet for the following information: particulars 1/4/2015, 31/3/2016. Stock of finished goods 12,000, 30,000. Opening 12,000, closing 30,000. This is opening stock. This is closing stock. Okay. Stock of raw material 80,000 and 1 lakh. Work in progress. Opening 30,000, closing 20,000. Purchase of raw material 9,50,000. Carriage inward 25,000. Direct wages 3,50,000. Works manager's salary 60,000. Factory employees salary 1,20,000. Factory rent 14,000. Power expenses 19,000. Office expenses 86,000. General expenses 65,000. Salary for the year 17,20,000. Dividend 10,000 rupees. Income tax 12,000. And last one is selling expenses 18,500. This information is given in the problem. This question is asked 15 marks for the year 2016. For the year 2016. Okay. Works manager salary, factory employees, factory rent, power expenses. These expenses are related to factory overhead. This information related to factory overhead. Then office expenses and general expenses related to AOH, administrative overhead. Salaries for salary also it is included in the AOH. Okay. Next, dividend and income tax are not recorded in cost sheet because these are non-financial items. Okay. Exempted ಅಥವಾ non-financial items which are not shown in the cost sheet. Okay. Last one is selling expenses. 18,500 is included in selling and distribution overhead. Okay. I hope you understood the problem. Let us solve the problem. Cost sheet. Three columns. First one is total cost, particulars, total cost and total cost. Inner column and outer column. Particulars, rupees. First one is direct material. In that, opening stock of raw material. Opening stock of raw material. Opening stock of raw material 80,000. 80,000. And purchase of raw material. And purchase of raw material. Purchase of raw material 9,50,000. 9,50,000. Okay. In that, carriage inward. Add carriage inward. Carriage inward is 25,000. 25,000. Add all three. 10,55,000. 10,55,000 less closing stock of raw material. Closing stock of raw material 1 lakh. 1 lakh. 9,55,000 is called as material consumed. Is called material consumed. Okay. In that add direct wages. Direct wages. How much direct wages? 3,50,000. 3,50,000. Okay. In that direct expenses. Direct expenses is nil. Add these two, we will get prime cost. Add these two, we will get prime cost. 13,05,000 is called as prime cost. Prime cost. Okay, prime cost. Add factory overhead. Factory overhead. First one is works manager salary. Works manager salary 60,000. Next, second one is factory employees salary. Factory employees salary 1,20,000. Next, factory rent. Factory rent 14,500. 14,500. Next, power expenses. Power expenses. How much? 19,000. Okay, 19,000. First one is works manager salary rupees 60,000. Second one is factory employee salary 1,20,000. Third one is factory rent 14,500. And the last one is power expenses 19,000. Okay, add all the factory overhead items. It is sales for the year 17,20,000. Okay, add 60,000, 1,20,000, 14,500, 19,000, 2,13,500. Okay, 2,13,500. Add these two, 15,18,500. Okay, in that add opening work in progress. Add opening work in progress. How much opening work in progress? 30,000. 30,000. 15,48,500. 15,48,500. In that deduct closing work in progress. Closing work in progress 20,000. 20,000. 20,000. Add the less 15,48,500 minus 20,000. 15,28,500 is called as works cost. It's called as works cost. Okay. In that we have to add AOH, administrative overhead. In this works cost, add administrative overhead and administrative overhead. Okay, in that office expenses and general expenses. Office expenses. How much office expenses? 86,000. Okay. Next, general expenses. General expenses. 65,000. Add these to 1,51,000. 1,51,000. Okay. 15,28,500 plus 1,51,000. 16,79,500. 16,79,500. Okay, works cost is 15,28,500 plus 1,51,000. 16,79,500. So add opening stock of finished goods 12,000. 0, 0, 5, 11, 7, 8, 9, 16,91,500 less. 16,91,500 less. Closing stock of finished goods. Closing stock of finished goods is 30,000 less. 16,91,500 minus 30,000. 16,61,500 is called as cost of production of goods sold. This is called cost of production. Cost of production. Okay. Last one is selling and distribution overhead. Selling and distribution overhead. Add selling and distribution overhead. Overhead. In that, selling expenses. Selling expenses. 18,500. 18,500. 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10. 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8. 16,80,000 is called as total cost. Total cost. In that, sales for the year is 17,20,000. Sales for the year is 17,20,000. Sales 17,20,000 is sales for the year. Profit balancing figure. Okay, 16,20,000 minus 17,20,000. amount is 40,000 is called as profit. 40,000 is called as profit. Okay, I hope you understood the problem. This is given in 2016 question paper for 15 marks. Okay, in this problem, direct material given, opening stock of raw material, purchase of raw material, carriage, inward. If in case outward is there, you have to write the overhead in factory overhead cost. Okay, add 1, 2, 3, 80,000 plus 9,50,000 plus 25,000. 10,55,000. In that, less closing stock of raw material 1 lakh. 9,55,000 is called as material consumed. Direct wages 3,50,000. 9,55,000 plus 3,50,000. 13,05,000 is called as prime cost. Okay. Next, add factory overhead. In that, works manager salary 60,000, factory employees salary 1,20,000, factory rent 14,500, power expenses 19,000. 60,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 14,500 plus 19,000 is 2,13,500. Prime cost is 13,05,000 plus 2,13,500 is 1,51,800. In that, add opening work in progress 30,000, 15,48,500. In that, deduct closing work in progress 20,000, 15,28,500 is called as works cost. Okay, add administrative overhead. Office expenses 86,000, general expenses 65,000, 86,000 plus 65,000, 1,51,000 is called as cost of production. Okay, in that, add opening work in progress 12,000, 16,91,500. Okay, less closing stock of finished goods 30,000, 16,61,500. It is called cost of production of goods sold. In next head is selling and distribution. In that, selling expenses 18,500, 16,61,500 plus 18,500 is 16,80,000. It is called total cost. Sales for the year is 17,20,000. 17,20,000 minus 16,80,000, the remaining amount is 40,000 is called as profit balancing figure. Dividend, income tax, dividend ಮತ್ತು income tax ಇಂದ ನಾವು record ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ cost sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So these items is called as non-finance items ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. These items are not shown in the cost sheet. Okay, I hope you understood the problem. In next class, another question I will solve. Okay, thank you.